Hello everyone. Hi, how are you? My WhatsApp and YouTube comments just blew up over the weekend with people saying that the AAIP website is down. Okay. So even I was surprised why the website itself was down. So I just wanted to show you guys what is happening on the portal. So I just checked and I saw something, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. But before that again, as usual, some basic housekeeping. Please join my channel. This is the link of the channel, of joining the channel, the QR code, and these are the QR codes of the WhatsApp channels. Okay, so these two things. Pause your video and use these links. Okay, let's go through the question of the portal is down. Okay, let's see that. So, okay, let's see if the portal is down. Somebody is already pinging me saying that the portal is down. So this is the, so I'm just in the AIP website and I'm just going through the one of the portals. So I'll just go through the link. See, the link is same, right? So for example, even if I go here and then Alberta Express Stream, how to apply, and if I go and click on AIP portal link, where is AIP portal link? So this is the AIP portal link. So if I click on here, you see this portal is opening. Okay. Then I'll just click on sign in. Right? So once I sign in, it will ask me for my username, password, and then it should work, right? So this is the section for username, password. If I just sign in, it's taking me through the portal, right? So it is taking me through the portal. Let's see if it logs me in. Yes, it logged me in. And then here I can create a new application. And then right now AOS is paused, so that is the reason you might not see AOS. So if I just do it like, just zoom out a bit, can you see it? So if I zoom out a bit, you can see that I can create a request for. So right now AOS is paused, so you cannot create, but you can create for other streams, I'm sure. So that is the only thing I have seen here. So it only says the AOS stream is paused, and then there were some portal outages on Fridays, which is a regular system maintenance from Friday 11 p.m. to Sunday 7 p.m. Mountain Time. So if this is the issue, so I don't see any issues related to the portal. All the links and all the updates are working. See, I can click on any request and see that. See, I don't see any issues here. So I would say if you are facing these issues, do this, go to your settings. I'll show you what to do. Maybe this will help. Go to your settings, your browser settings. You might have, I'm using Chrome, so I can show you from Chrome, and here just search for cache and then try and delete your browsing history. So maybe just try and delete your cache. That might help. That just might help. So try this. If this doesn't work, let me know. But as far as the portal is concerned, the portal is working. There is no issues with the portal. Okay, so I hope this is clearer to you guys. This was a shorter video, but I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much.